Good morning, this is Dennis. Yeah, different question, right? Because this morning I have some time for 2 hours, so I'm gonna do a waterproofing work for a roof of my house. I'm living in a house, maybe once in a year I have to repaint and do waterproofing work. So I just finished the painting work, and only left thing is the waterproofing work. Actually, here is that one is solar panel. Okay, so I have a solar panel. Okay, here is is for my house. So electricity bill is almost zero. Of course, there is a kind of basic fee, so I just pay almost $15 for whole floors, and the first floor and plus second floor, yeah, because I have a solar panel. And yeah, last week I finished like that. This morning I'm gonna just re-waterproofing work. Okay, I'm gonna kind of do a little ceiling work. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be not very hard, but the chemical is really strong. Actually, the reason why I just really like becoming a builder is it's one of my hobbies, and one of my bucket lists. Just I want to become a builder. Just I want to build my own house in the future, but I don't know because I have to buy land first, and then I have to learn how to build a house. Okay, yeah. Some people just they have a just hobby, just go on a travel, go camping. Of course, I love traveling and I love going on a camping or trip. But yeah, that's one of my other hobbies. Okay, and have a great day. Bye bye.